nice and lovely. So basically, I'm going to make you guys a nice lovely cup of cinnamon stick with garlic. Lovely. So right here I have 1 cup of water, and I'm going to break up some cinnamon stick into it. And secondly, I'm going to get 2 cloves of garlic. Nice one. So we're going to leave this on the boil for 10 minutes. We're going to make a lot of tea from it, and we're going to be using some honey, organic honey, to sweeten it. So enjoy the recipe and sit back, watch this video, and honestly, you drink this in the morning on an empty stomach, you can see the result in 10 days time. Enjoy it. Nice and beautiful, guys. So basically, as you can see exactly what's happening right here. This is garlic and cinnamon tea. This is good for the winter, good for detoxing, weight loss, and all these things. We all know that cinnamon stick is very good. It's on garlic. Let's taste it. This is marvelous. The taste of it is fantastic and nice. It's beautiful, guys. Now I'm gonna turn off my stove because it's boiled up and it's just amazing. There's not even word to explain about this drink. It's just really amazing. So what I'm going to do is this. Please don't do what I'm doing at home. Dangerous. Alright, I'm gonna pour it inside of my cup. That is lovely and amazing. We're gonna use 1 teaspoon of organic honey. And I'm going to taste it. Put a piece of cinnamon stick in it. That is beautiful and nice. Guys, what do you want else with this drink? Tell me. I don't know. So, if you know, please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Alright?